Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video I'm going to discuss the 5 key factors that allow you to recognize that your manifestation is coming to fruition. It's really important because a lot of people manifest their desires and then all of a sudden they get disheartened, they get into doubt and have fear and stuff like that, and that diminishes their manifestation. It pulls them away from their manifestation. So what are some of the signs that you can recognize to know that your manifestation is coming? And the first one is you will start to notice more of what you desire. So for example, if you're manifesting a new car, say a Ferrari, then you're going to start noticing more Ferraris around you. You'll be going to places and you'll see those Ferraris. That's one of the ways that the universe shows you that your manifestation is getting closer to you. It brings it up, it shows it around you. So it allows you to see that it is there in abundance and you can have it too. The second thing that's really important is oftentimes when our manifestation is nearly there, all of a sudden what happens is we'll have like a really negative experience. So for example, if you're manifesting more money, then what can happen is all of a sudden you get like a heap of bills that come in or unexpected expenses that come in and take you backwards. And so basically what's happening is the universe is saying, okay, well, let's just test your faith here to believe whether you still really desire this or not. And if you allow yourself to rise above whatever that physical experience is right now and hold that vision of what you desire, then the universe will deliver it to you. So don't allow yourself to get disheartened if things start to go backwards. Know that that's one of the things that's helping you to build your faith, to allow yourself to know that that's what you truly desire. And the third thing that you'll recognize is synchronicities. You'll start to see, even if it's, like numbers, like seeing double ones or, triple two or whatever numbers, you'll start to notice numbers. You'll see those sorts of synchronicities. But not only that, you'll actually start to see synchronicities happening where all of a sudden somebody may start talking about something that you desire. All of a sudden there's that synchronicity taking place. Allow yourself to see that as a sign that things are coming together for you, and that will help you build your faith. And then the fourth one is people dropping out of your life. Now, this may seem like a negative thing, but what happens is when you're manifesting something, you're manifesting to raise your vibration to the level of that manifestation. So when you're raising your vibration to that higher level, then what's going to happen is the people that do not resonate at that higher level are going to find ways to move away from you. And it doesn't have to be negative experiences. They can just move away in a really gentle and loving and easy way, because they no longer resonate with where you're going, with where your vision is, with where your desires are. And so it's really important to know that, if you start to have people dropping out of your life, don't think that it's a negative thing. Just allow yourself to recognize that this means that you're changing. You're allowing yourself to grow as a person and you're becoming better. You're bettering yourself and you're raising your vibration, which no longer resonates with those people. And that's not a problem. It's just allowing them to live their chosen life and allowing you to live your chosen life. There is no negativity involved in it. It's not a negative experience. It's just allowing them to move on. And you're going to find that people that will be at a higher vibration will come into your life because you're resonating higher. Like attracts like. So if you're raising your vibration, you're going to attract people to you that have a raised vibration already. So if people start dropping off, then don't think that it's a negative experience. Know that it's a sign that you're getting closer to your manifestation. So it's actually a real positive. And then the fifth one, which is actually the first one, which is the most important of all, and that is that you are calm and relaxed about your manifestation. When you are calm and relaxed about your manifestation, knowing that it's already there, knowing that it's yours, that it's already done, then it's going to happen. It's guaranteed. And that's simple as it is. The truth is, when you're at that level of knowing that you already have your desires, even if it may not appear in the physical yet, When you know that it's yours, when you're calm and relaxed about it, when you're not worried about it, when you're not having doubts, when you're not having fears, that's when your manifestation is very close. So the more you allow yourself to be calm, relaxed, and just know that it's yours, the sooner it will show up. And that is really the key, because as long as you feel that something is outside of you, then you're not going to be relaxed about it. But when you are relaxed and you're calm about it, then you know it's yours. And that is the key. So work on yourself. Recognize what it is that stops you from allowing yourself to be calm and relaxed about your manifestation. What is blocking you from that knowing that it's already yours, that it's that faith that it's already yours? The key is being calm and relaxed, knowing, yes, it's mine, it's guaranteed. The universe always delivers for me. Allow yourself to have that knowing that the universe always takes care of you and the universe always delivers your manifestations to you. That abundance is your birthright and that you are worthy and deserving of having everything that you desire. So just to recap, so you may notice more of your desires. You'll see them showing up in your life. You'll also, doesn't have to happen, but you may experience times where you feel like things are going backwards. And all that is just testing your resolve, testing the universe, testing you to make sure that that's what you truly desire. And then you'll start to see synchronicities, things showing up, whether it's numbers, whether it's some sort of signs. Don't go looking for signs. When you're looking for signs, then it's almost like you're having that hope, you wish that it's going to happen. And so you're looking for a sign to give you that confidence. Allow yourself just to recognize the signs that are there, because there are plenty of signs. Those signs will help you build your faith, but don't go looking for them. And then people that no longer resonate at the same level that you're moving to will drop out of your life. They'll move on, and it's going to be in a loving and easy way. So it's not going to be a stress, but you will find that people with the higher vibration will come into your life. You'll attract the people with the higher vibration. And then be calm and relaxed. Allow yourself to know that it's yours. When you're calm and relaxed, knowing that it's yours, it shows up very quickly in your life. So in the next video, I'll give you some downloads in relation to those. But if you like this video, then like it, share it with people that you care about, share it with your friends, family, people that you think can benefit from this. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel, because that will give you updates as to when we're releasing new videos. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.